Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20930. Very nice 2013 Toyota 8FGU25. This is a 5,000-pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's got brand new aggressively treaded solid pneumatic tires, never get a flat. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. Does approximately 189 inches of max lift height. It's going to take it up for us real fast. Equipped with side shift, 42-inch pallet forks, load backrest. As you can see, very tall up there in the sky. It's got an excellent running Toyota LP gas engine, automatic transmission. We've done recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. Ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com. or come check us out at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you much for watching.